If k is less than 0, what is the solution set of the absolute value of 8x minus 5 is less than k? Well, let's start with this one. Now, if k is less than 0, indicating that it is a negative number, then we have a statement here that says the absolute value of a quantity is less than a negative number. That makes it a negative number itself. That is impossible because the absolute value of a quantity, which represents distance from 0 on the number line, is always a positive number or 0. That should be greater than or equal to 0. So this is impossible. That can't happen. Let's say then that the solution set is the empty set. There is no solution to it. With our second question, if k is less than 0, what's the solution set of the absolute value of 8x minus 5 is greater than k? Okay, so if k is less than 0, it's a negative number. We have a statement here saying that the absolute value of a quantity is greater than a negative number. Now that's always true because absolute value is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, it's 0 or some positive number. So this is always true for every number that we can substitute in for x. So let's then say that the solution set is all real numbers. We can describe that in interval notation as negative infinity to positive infinity. Lastly, if k is less than 0, what's the solution set of the absolute value of 8x minus 5 is equal to k? So again, we've got k less than 0. That makes it a negative number. This says that the absolute value of something is equal to a negative number. That can't happen. Absolute value is a positive number or 0. This is impossible. There's no value for x that's going to satisfy this equation. So here we have a solution set that is empty. There are no solutions.